Okay, so today what I'll be showing you is I will be cleaning my engine in my Vauxhall Astra VXR. As you can see, it's all dirty up there. Yeah, and it's also dusty everywhere. As you can see, some leaves. Also under the battery, I have to remove this as well as the delete crossover delete. So yeah, I'm going to be using some soapy water, warm soapy water, some brush and some tools to remove some of the things. So first I will be removing the battery. You will need a 10mm socket to remove the terminal. You just want to disconnect the whole electrics from the car. Just put them up. Also there is one more bolt down there, which is I think 13mm. Take this bracket out, put it out. Let's see, some dirty around there. As you can see, by removing the tray, you can also get to the top of the gearbox, where you can clean as well. As you can see, it's dirty as well. I'll be also removing the crossover lid with the pipes, just to get under there and crossover the lid. So release this clamp. Loosen this clamp. There's one more. There's one more bolt here, which holds the whole thing. Which is a nut. Disconnect from there. about this pipe. Pull it off. So now you have more space to clean the whole top of the engine. I decided I'm going to take the whole airbox out just because it's more space. So there's one. There's a T30 screw which holds the whole bracket. And then you just pull it off. Pull it out. Disconnect the mass sensor. It comes out. That's your airbox off. As you can see, dirty as well. So what do you want to do as well? Just grab some rag and just put it in that hole so it doesn't. Just so it doesn't, nothing falls into there and no water goes into there. So yeah, now what you want to do is grab your brush, grab your soapy water, just spray on top of the engine. As you can see, I'm all done now. I died, that's why I couldn't get the whole video. But yeah, it's much better. I'll get some pictures at the end of the video. But yeah, it's clean. Basically what I did is took the airbox out, open it, clean it inside, outside, take the battery out, clean it under, clean it all under, take the battery tray off, clean this as well. So yeah, clean all the oil from the side of the engine, it's all clean. So yeah, also I put some spray shine on it, on all the pipes, all the plastics. So thank you for watching.